It is Tuesday, day after Christmas, so we're gonna resume with the weekly vlog. I'm gonna go get my coffee. Derren has his wisdom teeth removal today. I think he's somewhere back there, somewhere right back there. So I'm gonna go take him. I'm gonna have a busy, productive day today. Okay, go get it then. So we're currently still testing out Toyota Hybrid. It's a pretty cool car. All right, you ready? You ready for your wisdom teeth to get removed? We'll see if Derren acts a little bit crazy later when he's under the anesthesia. Definitely gonna vlog that.
A few moments later.
How did it go, Derren? Do you want ice cream? What?
Yeah.
Want ice cream? Okay. Ice cream will be nice.
No, everybody nice.
The people are nice? I know, they seem like a very nice staff.
Oh, I thought the man was stop.
You sound like the guy from the Goonies. Hey, you guys!
Hey, you guys!
That's how Derren sounds. Derren is feeling better now because he has some pain meds in his system. So he's all good now. And we're actually going to Nordstrom Rack. My mother-in-law gave us Nordstrom Rack gift cards. So yay! Excited to go. I need to look for a pair of shoes and maybe like a case for my MacBook. Why do I feel like it's going to be a struggle finding a case for my MacBook? Good morning. Wow, I look super scary. Good morning, you guys. I have a friend right here who is not cooperating. I think Tom is around the corner, so that is why this happened. First time that I was able to really spend time at home for 2 weeks. Sometimes I would take maybe like a few days off, but it's never been this long of a break. Kind of realized how time management is not my strength, and I really want to work on that this year, like getting stuff done, really writing it down, and also following through. So busy chatting with you guys, I completely forgot that Toyota was going to pick up the 2017 Toyota Prius Hybrid 4. It's white with black trimming. Everything in the car is white with black trimming. There's a push to start car. The center console is where you see everything, and that's what kind of makes this car different. So first things first, I just kind of wanted to go over the LCD monitor because it's all touchscreen. And then you have here at the bottom, it's the controls for park, reverse, and drive and neutral, which is different. One of my favorite things about this would have to be all of the little small features. It has the seat warmers, seat coolers. It even has here this little button that you press where you can lay one of your electronic devices to charge if you have the option for the cordless charging. It's very spacious in the back, very spacious in the front. One of the really nice safety features of this car is that when it's in reverse, it automatically beeps, which is quite loud, but I think it is such a great feature because since this car is a hybrid, when you start the engine, you don't hear anything. It's really quiet. Definitely one of the best ways to go because we barely even used any gas in here during the whole duration of us testing it out, and we did test this car out for about a week. Thank you so much to Toyota USA for giving us the opportunity to test it out for a week. We're finally on the road. I just dropped off Derren at his barber shop, and I'm gonna go run a couple of errands. We're actually gonna go to Marshall's. We're gonna go try to find this laptop sleeve that I saw last week. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it's still there because it was really inexpensive. Excuse me. So yeah, we have like a ton of errands to run today. It is so nice today. I think it's like in the 80s. It's 85 degrees outside. Is it 80? No way. It's 85 degrees today. December 28th, and it is beautiful outside. I'm actually test driving a different car. This is care of Genesis. This is the 2018 Genesis G90. You guys, this car, wow, it is super luxurious. I think this is like definitely like top of the line. Then over to Trader Joe's. Derren, go pick up your stuff, what you want to eat. Grab a basket. Thank you. We're back from Trader Joe's, and let me just quickly show you or share with you what we picked up today. 3 boxes of the Trader Joe's jasmine green tea, which you guys know I love. Of the asparagus to go with tonight's dinner. Potatoes medley, which will go with tonight's dinner as well. Spanish organic extra virgin olive oil spray. Creamy almond butter. Mini pearl grape tomatoes. These are for my husband. Sugar glazed mixed nuts. Peanuts, almonds, cashews, pecans. Excuse me, Derren! Oh my gosh, where are your stuff? Joe's Diner mac and cheese, because he has to still eat soft foods. And this is the pepperoni, wow, pepperoni pizza mac and cheese bowl. That looks pretty good. Dinner is going in the oven. See how it looks. Dinner is served: asparagus with salmon, Parmesan cheese, roasted garlic, and we have some potatoes. And I added some grape tomatoes, which are from Trader Joe's. Oh, this recipe, by the way, is from Pinterest. Happy Friday. We just made it here to Six Flags Magic Mountain. We are going to, actually, where's Derren? There's Derren back there. So we are going to experience Holiday in the Park this year, 2017. There's only a few more days left. I believe Holiday in the Park ends December 31st, if I'm not mistaken. So we're just gonna go for a couple hours. Hi. Hello. Thank you. Are so pretty here. We're going to Twisted Colossus. The lights are so pretty. So we are currently in line to go on Twisted Colossus. I think this might be our last ride of the night. It's almost 8:30. I think it's like about 8:20. So we can get on one more ride. I think we're gonna go on Gold Rush. You guys know that's kind of like the hidden gem of Six Flags. Yes, front of the line was the best, especially on Twisted Colossus. Snowy! Can we go? Yeah. What is my mouth? No! How dare you!
It's getting all
over. So we ended up here at Denny's and having some clam chowder soup. Gonna split a burger. What kind of burger is this? It's like a bacon burger. I was gonna get a salad, but it's okay, we're just splitting. And we have some onion rings. You guys, we have some Pinterest inspired breakfast avocado egg cups, topped with sea salt, cracked black pepper, and some small grape tomatoes. Happy Saturday. Derren and I, we're going to Best Buy. He's gonna go purchase a monitor, a gaming monitor. That's the monitor you want to get. It is already almost midnight and I'm about to film my 2017 obsessions. I've been thinking about it all day because honestly, I wasn't going to film it, and then I kind of thought about it. You know what? This is something I wanted to film because I didn't do it last year. So I wanted to film it. I'm going to film it, and I'm going to have my stuff uploaded tomorrow. I'm going to get to filming, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Let's see how long it will take. Now 2:30 a.m. I finished with everything. I finished taking up the up-close product shots, And now I'm gonna start editing because I want to have all of the videos up tomorrow. So I'm gonna end the weekly vlog here. Thank you guys as always so much for watching. I hope you guys have a really safe New Year's. It's gonna be an excellent, an awesome, a prosperous, a very great 2018. As always, sending you guys positive vibes for a wonderful day and a wonderful evening. Thank you guys as always so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in next week's vlog.